Hare Krishna friends, welcome to my channel. I hope you are enjoying the day with the blessings of Lord Krishna. And today I came with a topic Krishna helps to understand the aim of life. So without any delay, let's know about it. Bhagavad Gita is accepted by all authorities as the basis of all Vedic knowledge. Civilization is static unless there is a spiritual movement. The soul moves the body, and the living body moves the world. We are concerned about the body, but we have no knowledge of the spirit that is moving that body. Without the spirit, the body is motionless or dead. Through the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna teaches us many universal messages and truths, some of which are as follows: aims and objectives of human life. Bhagavad Gita helps one know that the aims and objective of human form of life is self-realization and the re-establishment of our lotus relationship with the Supreme Lord Krishna. According to the Vedic civilization, the perfection of life is to realize one's relationship with Krishna or God. Second is we are parts of God. Bhagavad Gita teaches us that not only human beings but all living entities are parts and parcels of God. The parts are meant for serving the whole, just as the legs, hands, fingers, and ears are meant for serving the total body. We living entities, being parts and parcels of God, we find pleasure when we serve Him. Third is discharge of duty. Human beings are always rendering service to someone, either to our family, our country, or society. This means that we are constitutionally meant to render service. Yet, in spite of serving to the best of our ability, we are not satisfied, nor is the person to whom we are rendering that service satisfied. Thus, we can understand that on the material platform, everyone is frustrated. The reason for this is that service being rendered is not properly directed. For example, if we want to render service to a tree, we must water the root. If we pour water on the leaves, branches, and twigs, there is little benefit. If the Supreme Personality of Godhead is served, all other parts and parcels will be automatically satisfied. Consequently, all welfare activities as well as service to society, family, and nation are realized by serving the Supreme Lord. I hope you became happy by listening this. Comment Hare Krishna Mahamantra to seek the blessings of Krishna and do like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.